Welcome to question 3 from the 2020 TMUA paper 1. The question asks us to find the complete set of values of x for which x plus 4 times x plus 3 times 1 minus x is positive and x plus 2 times x minus 2 is negative. We are given 7 options. Pause the video, read through the options and have a go at doing this question for yourself. Okay, let's begin by trying to sketch the graphs of y equals x plus 4 times x plus 3 times 1 minus x and the graph of y equals x plus 2 times x minus 2. If we firstly look at x plus 4 times x plus 3 times 1 minus x, we can see that this is a cubic expression, i.e. the highest power of x is x cubed if we multiply this out, and that the coefficient of x cubed, if we multiply this out, will be 1 times minus 1. So it will be a cubic graph with a negative shape, and from these three brackets we can see the roots are minus 4, minus 3 and positive 1. So we can therefore sketch this graph with that information. And let's also think of y equals x plus 2 and x minus 2. Well, this is a quadratic expression, has roots at minus 2 and positive 2, and the coefficient of x squared, if we multiply this out, is 1, so it has a positive quadratic shape. So with this information, can we sketch the two graphs? Well, let's draw some axes with all of these roots marked, and let's firstly think about the sketch of this cubic expression. So it needs to have roots here, here and here, and it needs to be a negative cubic. So what we mean by that is a standard cubic comes up from the left and goes up on the right, whereas this is inverted because it has coefficient minus 1 on x cubed. So it's going to be up here for the large negative values and down here for large positive values. And it needs to come through the points minus 4, minus 3 and plus 1. So it's going to look something like this. And now our quadratic expression needs to pass through the points minus 2 and 2 and have a parabolic shape that looks like a U. So we're going to have something that looks like this. And our task is to find the points where the expression x plus 2, x minus 2 is negative, and this expression is positive. So what do they mean in terms of our graphs? Well, we want to find the values of x where this curve is above the x-axis and this curve is below the x-axis. So if we look at our sketch, we can see that happens, well, from here up to here, so from minus 2 to 1. So the region where this happens is x strictly between minus 2 and positive 1. And if we look back at our options, we can see that that is option B. So we therefore conclude the answer is B.